Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Tullibardine Artisan Highland Single Malt Scotch. This was produced at the Tullibardine Distillery in Blackford, Perthshire in Highland, Scotland. This was established in 1949. It is a Highland Single Malt Scotch. It is non-age stated, and it is an ex-bourbon maturation, meaning the whiskey was distilled and moved directly into ex-bourbon barrels. It is a 40% ABV, 80 proof whiskey. It is a $28 to $35 bottle for a 750 ml bottle. It got 93 points on the Wine Enthusiast. I bought this bottle a while back. I think I got it somewhere between $20 and $25. On the flavor notes, on the nose, you get soft honey and heather, creamy vanilla fudge, orchard fruit, mainly apple and pear, grassy meadow, and subtle toasted oak. On the palate, you get sweet barley sugar, liquid honey and vanilla, baked malted biscuit, gentle cereal notes, along with a touch of citrus and light ginger. On the mouthfeel, it is light to medium body, creamy and pleasant, with a thick but not heaviness to it. On the finish, it is smooth and warming. It's got a honeyed sweetness that fades into a gentle baking spice with a kiss of oak and malt biscuit. The distillery tagline is "First fill bourbon barrels, lend sweet vanilla, honey, and soft spices." I can definitely see where they're coming from. On the nose, you can get a bit of that vanilla, but for me, it really is a lot of fresh cereal grains, malted barley, and almost like a vanilla ice cream base. I could get the vanilla more on the nose than I can on the palate. On the palate, I get a lot of sweet milk chocolate. I get the toasted barley as a different flavor note, but when it all kind of comes together, it really comes together for me as almost like just a milk chocolate. I get a lot of crispy biscuit notes and a lot of cereal flavors coming through the palate as well, but with a really heavy sweetness. It's very nice. The mouthfeel, I would say it's light, maybe closer to a medium, but it's very creamy. It's almost like there's dairy in this in some way. It gently coats the palate, and as the finish sits, you get that honey sweetness. You get kind of the fruity apple brightness. I can get a little bit of the oak in there. Really just an all-around good flavored whiskey. Admittedly, I don't use this so much as a daily sipper as I do for making cocktails. I made a couple interesting cocktails this weekend, and I also really like this with just like a whiskey highball. So that's really where I utilize this most often. However, if that dark chocolate, milk chocolate note is your thing, go ahead and give this a shot at its nice cheap price point. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.